Hi guys, Little Star here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 10-inch The Mandalorian with the Child. That's the front of the box. Sorry for the glare. The side of the box. The back of the box and the other characters for this set. And the other side of the box. Right guys, let's unbox this. Right guys, so here's the Mandalorian out of box. And he has a lot of chrome on his helmet. He is a bobblehead. The child isn't though. Child is very cute in his arms being carried. His little face. So cute. And he has chrome on his chest plate just behind the child. A bit on his leg. 2 pieces on his arm there. And I think he does have a piece, yeah. Oh, 2 pieces there. And there's his cape as well. The colours are all exactly what he wears in the series, and this figure represents him very well when he gets his chrome armour. Definitely a must-have for any Mandalorian or Star Wars fan. And definitely one of the best 10 inches ever made by Funko. Right guys, so that was the 10-inch The Mandalorian with the Child. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.